Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. I kind of dozed off right there. Good evening.
Yeah, it's like nighttime. Don't put me on there because I don't have no kind of bone.
Nobody would know that if you wasn't said nothing. Because I sure didn't say anything.
They can't hear me or whatever either.
Anyway. Welcome to the Keno P show. This is Keno P. Oh, Blue Thang is about to go bye-bye for a couple of months. For a couple of... I don't know how long she's going to be honest with you. And I'm not going to say it till I know everything's concrete, but she's about to go today. She's about to go get on, fixed on. Giggle Box, Brawless Wonder.
Wow.
It's right there. We just took a 7-hour nap. I think we both needed it. What you think?
I didn't get no 7-hour nap. I didn't get home till 6:30.
What time did we wake up?
8.
Yeah, I was still should I correct me?
You probably had one, but I didn't. I wish I did.
You slept hard. You slept harder than me last night than anything.
Maybe.
And there ain't no maybe to that shit. Yeah. So we're gonna add those 6 hours you slept heavy
To that 1 hour.
to that 2 hours you slept just now. Yeah, try to correct me. See what you get. Where's the coop? Koopy. Yeah, I remember the first day we got him. Now look how big he's getting. I want to wear his little ass out. Hey, put those on.
I'm okay.
I don't remember me asking
That's
her.
why I just went ahead and put them
I
on.
remember her asking, was you okay? I remember telling you to put the shoes on. This girl gonna get backhand. She gonna taste the back of my hand. No, I'm just playing. I would never hit her. You would know some days. Spiders. I caught myself waiting on my boy, my mechanic Mike, to come up, but he takes forever just to piss. So I don't know. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on when he gets here. Hey, baby, for once in my life, I have a short vlog. You think so?
No.
Did you watch the one from yesterday?
I watched it up until I started recording.
Alright, I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I might get here. Okay. Y'all can look at my little junkie room. There go the Kooper. There's a Kooper. There's a Kooper. Say hi, Kooper. Y'all want to see the biggest titties in the world? Yo, check this out. Okay. You look at her side of the room. You see how nice and neat and primp it is? Now look inside of my room. Can't you tell we two different people? Her room all nice and primpy. Even got a better smell. I don't know how she pulled that one off. Then you go on my side of the room and it just look like North Little Rock. And dude, look, got shit all in the street. Got a homeless dog just looking at you. Well, he ain't homeless no more. Let's see if you like that. What's that, buddy? What is that?
What you got a service station over there?
$5,000 worth of cologne. That's why I gotta drive a Trailblazer. Because of that. I gotta feed her addictions. You see my little sample thing I had to steal? See my little sampler thing I had to seal? So you still got to try me and everything on it.
I got one over there.
You didn't have to steal it. You just didn't have the $20, so you said fuck it. Yeah. There go Coop Nasty. She says I have way too many shoes.
I have a lot of shoes too. Not that many,
Yeah. I will show y'all a picture of the Camaro getting loaded, but bless you. But it was a little bit too dark. Mike said he'd be here at 12 o'clock this afternoon, and he just got here at 9:30. Well, no, he just left, so it was 9. So, but the Camaro's gone. Is going to get a lot of upgrades on it. He said by next week he should have it. So, should have it figured out or whatever. So, I don't know. I just miss her already.
sorry.
Tell Giggle Box to get up and go get something to eat. I'm not hungry. I ate a macaroni lasagna thing. Was disgusting, but I ate it at 5 o'clock, and I was gonna cook her something, but I kind of was asleep when she got here. My bad. We're watching Indians build stuff in the woods. She said they're not Indians. She said they're ping pongs. But I'm saying they're Indians. They're thank you, come again. We're racist over here.
I don't.
But anyway, I'm gonna clean up my side of the room since my lovely wife doesn't want to do it for me. So she just want to clean her side up. Look at her side. All healthy snacks and everything. She got Bang energy drinks. She got body armor, water, and all that. My side, I got water and cupcakes. My side look like jail. Her sides look like oh. This is jail, and this is what it looks like when you get out of jail. I had to junk her side up. I had to put my shoes over there. Actually, this is my closet right here. You can tell it's my closet because I got the fun closet. Yeah, boy. Fun closet. And she got the big boring ass closet. Let's go check her closet out. You might have to watch the dildos. Cause she got like 14,000 of them junk.
Seriously?
As soon as I open the door, avalanche of dildos. See? Her closet not most fun. Her closet the most boring. I can't find a light. Okay. See?
These people are from Hong Kong.
You see that? I told you they was ping pongs. Oh, you want to tell them the good news?
What good news?
About your promotion.
I did get a promotion.
What? Tell them. Tell them you running shit now.
Whatever.
You about to own a Walmart.
No, I'm not.
Fuck you mean?
No, I'm not.
We're finna end this joint. Sorry for the lack of content. Shoes. But we're finna end this joint like this.
Weirdo.
On the fire burns. If you like this, please comment, like, and subscribe. This is your boy Keno P with the Giggle Box with the Coop Nasty. Oh, yeah.